What is the name of the racine? You know how the plants grow? How the plants grow? These are the plants that you see all around yourself, all around in the surroundings. Now, what are the parts of the plant? You see, what are these? These are the roots. What are these? Roots. Roots are where? Inside the soil. Roots are where? We have to put the roots in this way. इसके अंदर ये जैसे roots are here. The roots are. And what are they? This one thing. What is this called? Stem. And stem. What are these? Leaves. These are the big leaves. This plant has small leaves. Some plants have big leaves, some plants have small leaves. You see the banana leaf you have seen? All of you seen the banana leaves?
No, ma'am.
It is a big one. This much big leaves it has. I will show you that one also. I will bring one leaf and I will show you. Okay? Now, this is a big leaf and this is small leaf. This is a stem. It is also has a stem. See? And leaves are going this way and this way. Now, these leaves, when the leaves grow up, it gives up, come into flowers. And these flowers are also changing into, what flowers changing into? Fruits. What flower changes into? You eat the apple, banana, mango, and all these vegetables also, which you eat here. All these also come from these plants, which come from the flower. First they become flowers, then they become fruits and vegetables. Fruits, all those fruits, these vegetables, all also come from these flowers. Okay? Now, you know when the plants grow, we all of you, what happens to us? First we are babies, small babies we are. Okay? Then we grow up. Okay? Then what? Now you are grown up boys. Now we are also grown up from you. After some years, what happens to us? We will die. In the same way, plants are also this way. First, plants grow. This way, plants grow. Seeds are there. They are small babies now. Seeds, roots come out. Then they come out root in this way. In this way, they come out. Now leaves comes out. When leaves comes out, then afterwards flowers also come out. Flowers are here. Flowers come. After that, these flowers, इसकी जो petals होती हैं, these petals shed down. And when petals shed down, it becomes like this. When petals shed down, after some days, this plant look like this. What is this? This is a dead plant. Now when it becomes, now it is no more. Flower is dead. After some in the same way, with the leaves which are green, yellow color. What is the color of the leaves?
Yellow.
Green. What is the color of the leaves? Green. When the leaves colors become yellow, it becomes growing old. And after when leaves become black or brown, it fell down and it become dark.
And that also
That also will, yes, that also come into the soil. Okay? Now we will show you some plants. Now you see what is this? What you cannot see in the plants? What you
cannot see roots.
Yes, you cannot see the
Roots.
Roots are where the roots.
Roots.
Roots where are the roots? Inside the soil. Where are the roots?
Inside the soil.
When the roots grow, then they become this way. It become this way. When they become this, they will become flowers also come here. Okay, now we will go outside and grow some flowers and seeds in this glass. Okay, now come here.